At you for another episode of
Plant Pirates.
Yeah, that's right. I'm your Captain Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
Yeah, that's right, y'all. Today is landscape debris pickup day in our community, so we're going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. But we got to get going quick because somebody else is out to get them. Who?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the waste management landscape debris trucks. They come along and crush up all of our plants if we don't get to them first. But me and Teddy are ahead of the schedule today. I don't even think it's 6:30 outside. And we're not taking the little one with us, so it'll be just me and him. So we'll be able to fly down the road, get the plants first, right, bud? All right, y'all, we'll get back with you if we get something good. All right, what we got, bud?
Got some Schefflera and cordyroys.
Yeah, all right, let's grab it up. Some Dracaena and then some variegated Schefflera. Teddy's, oh, looks like there might be two kinds of Dracaena. Yeah. All right, we're gonna grab both of those up. All right, we just rolled up on another twofer here. Looks like we got some ficus, a rubber tree, and a mystery plumeria.
There's one little
I know,
leaf
look
on
how
it.
tough it is. It's putting out new leaves even in the trash there. You want to grab that plumeria and maybe a couple of those rubber tree cuttings?
Yeah.
All right, sweet. Once again, the British Royal Navy has beat us to this street, and they've crushed up almost all the plants. So I guess we're going to zoom up here and turn around and find another street. All right, y'all, we haven't shown you this for a while. We pass this variegated monstera every time we do Plant Pirates. Still hoping he'll put a cutting out for us one day.
Yeah.
But I doubt he will. If you guys can see in there, he's got one of the most beautiful properties in this neighborhood. I bet you they just reuse it if they get any cuttings.
Yeah.
All right, the black cat just crossed our path. We have the full moon. We have the full moon, and now we have the black cat crossing our path. Oh, we see him hiding under there.
That's just Slappy.
Yeah, hopefully nothing else super scary happens. All right, this is the tiniest pile that we've passed so far, but it looks like it has some ground orchid in it. Some nice cuttings. You want to grab some?
Yeah.
See what they look like? Yeah, nice. All right, we'll get a couple of those. All right, look at that. Do you even know what that is right there, Teddy?
A banana.
Huh?
A banana.
Yeah. Teddy's not joking. He doesn't know what that is because he's homeschooled. He's lucky. He doesn't have to get on that bus and go to school right now, do you? Like all those other kids, right?
Right.
You're doing Plant Pirates instead, right? Yeah, all right. All right, Teddy spotted this pothos right here. We were just talking about pothos. Oh, it's a nice one.
Oh, this has roots.
Yeah, and look at that. Okay, grab it up. Oh, nice. Look at that. It's like a teddy bear palm or something.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. All right, we're going to grab that up. And look at that desert rose right there. That's beautiful. Awesome. All right, good find, bud. All right, y'all, I don't know if you can see behind us, but we're being chased by a werewolf.
Yeah.
First it was the full moon,
Then the black
then the
cat.
black cat, now this werewolf is running behind us. I'm gonna have to put this phone down and drive.
SOS.
Yeah, we're running for our lives at this point. All right, so we just rolled up on some kind of like variegated monkey grass there. Looks like there's some cuttings down there. Oh, and look, there's a croton cutting too. So we'll grab both those up.
First.
No, just rip it off. All right, Teddy spotted that little agave pup coming off of a massive stump. Go ahead, jump out. See if you can just rip that off.
The stump has roots. Let's take a whole thing.
No way, that stump's huge. Rip that little pup off. See if you can get some roots with it.
I might need the clippers.
All right. We're gonna operate on this and see if we can get it off. All right, we made it back, eh, bud?
Yeah.
All right, I wouldn't say. I wouldn't say. Good thing that didn't come off while we were going down the road. I wouldn't say we scored huge today, but we got some good stuff.
Yeah.
And we got one thing that we've never gotten before on the Plant Pirates that I'm real excited about. Should we start? Do you want to start with that
That's
one?
what I'm doing.
All right.
We only have, this is our the second one we have.
Yeah, we have another one in a pot.
It's tiny.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
So this is a teddy bear palm. Yeah. Nice.
That's
And
like-
it actually looks real good. It has enough roots that I think we'll be able to
We should put it in
to
a
save
pot.
it. Yeah.
Like
Usually.
a decorated pot.
Yeah, we can do that. Usually the stuff that we're going for in our Plant Pirates adventures is cuttings that we can stick in the ground that don't need roots to grow. You know, stuff you can plant from cuttings, but we will obviously take anything that has roots, so.
Speaking of stuff that can plant from cuttings,
Yes, we got some Dracaena here.
would be Plant Pirates without Dracaena.
Yeah, or Giannata. This is like the bi-color one. I think you got a different one right
This is
there.
like Christmas.
Yeah, so this is like the bi-color one, and then this is a different kind. I think some people call this one a dragon tree. And we have both of these planted in our yard. Oh, here's a better example. All right. Oh, there's another good one. All right, we got several of those. These are nice cuttings right there.
Yeah.
All right, sweet.
Okay, next, these have roots.
Yeah, so we looked this up. I think it's called a flax lily,
Yes.
if I remember. You can see this one just flowered. And we did read that you can use the berries from this plant to as dye. You can crush them up and dye textiles and stuff
What
with them.
color are they?
I think they're purple.
Ooh, that's a rare dye.
I think they are. It's a royal dye.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this one didn't have berries or flowers on it. If you scroll back in the video a little bit, you can see what this plant looked like. It was planted like at the end of their driveway. It gets about 4 feet tall. It looks
Yeah.
like here. So
It would be a killer fort.
yeah, it would be. All right, what else? What you got?
Pothos.
All right, we got giant golden pothos. So this doesn't look giant right now. The leaves are all really small, but as this takes off and goes up a tree, they get huge. I don't think we
like
have
this
any.
big. But they'll get like this big.
Yeah, they get huge. I don't think we have a vine yet going on our property with big leaves on it. At our last property here in the
yeah.
neighborhood,
We had a huge one.
We had
It was
huge one. It was like a
20-year-old specimen.
yeah. It was between 2 or 3 or 4 cabbage palms. It was like a privacy hedge almost.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It was awesome.
All right, what else you got?
Okay, is there still more in the spin? Oh, yep.
What else you got? Croton. Oh, it's a
little
sorry,
toasty.
toasty looking croton cutting, but you can plant these from cuttings. I'm not sure if this one will make it or not. We grabbed it so we could make everyone aware that this is a plant you can plant from cuttings. You can see it has some bugs on it too. Probably bugs that I don't want in my garden. So we're just gonna put this over here.
So it doesn't spread onto anything.
Yeah, all right, what else we got?
Scheffalera.
Scheffalera, yes.
We've got
This is
multiple cuttings
probably
next to
the
this.
easiest plant to plant from cuttings.
It is?
Oh, it's so easy. I have some over here. I mean, these plants, I stuck these two in the pot right here, and they looked just like this. When I stuck them in the pot, not one of the leaves died. And you can see now they're fully rooted in here. But I mean, it didn't even change color. They just looked like the cuttings we took right off the bush.
Yeah, watch. I bet you can pick it up from just this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So that is an easy one to plant from cuttings right next to it. We didn't get it this week, but Song of India is an easy one to plant from cuttings. You guys can see I have trays of cuttings planted here. They don't root quite as quick as the Scheffalera does, but still an easy one.
Okay, let's get back to pulling stuff out.
All right, what you got? What you got?
See, I think it's... Yep, there it is.
What you got down there?
Surgery didn't go to the best.
Oh, right. If you guys remember, we tried to chop this off of that huge log, and we didn't get many roots. But, like Teddy was saying, these plants are so tough. I bet this will still root.
Yeah.
These plants, and also they shoot off so many pups, too. It's unbelievable.
And they shoot off pups like 8 feet away.
Yeah, and even this little pup will shoot off pups. It's crazy. It's not like a full-size plant has to. I mean, we have yet to have a full-size agave on our property, but we've planted lots of them and moved them around, and everywhere we planted one, there's little pups still shooting up years later.
They shoot off like 8 feet away.
I mean, I bet you, I gotta just go look real quick because there was one down here. We planted an agave in the corner right here when we first, this is probably over 3 years ago, and I quickly realized there wasn't enough sun, so we moved it. There's a blue agave, but I bet you we can find a pup in here somewhere. Yep, right here. Look, here's a pup right here.
What?
Isn't that crazy? Over 3 years later, and that agave we only had in the ground here for like probably 5 months before I realized that there wasn't enough sun for it. And ever since then, pups just keep shooting up
We need
out
to
of
move
there.
that pup then.
Yeah. Where did we move? Oh yeah, the blue agaves we have back by the pool now, I guess. Oh, there's Reese. Hey kiddo, how you doing? Yeah? All right, what else you got, Teddy?
I've got ground cover. I think this
Oh
is
yes,
wandering
the
June.
no, it's the ground lily. It's a type of ground lily, ground orchid maybe. I'll have it in the description below. We actually have this planted on the side of the house with some
Yeah,
bromeliads.
it has some purple flowers.
It gets,
I think.
this is about as big as it gets.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't get any taller than that. And it spreads not too fast. It's not too hard to keep up with.
Okay, next.
A ground orchid, I think is what it's called. All right, what else you got?
Ficus.
The ficus, the rubber tree. Super easy to plant from cuttings. Another one, probably almost just as easy as the Chefalera to plant from cuttings. Works every time, never had one fail.
Okay, and
Never
this
had
is-
one of those fail.
This we see every plant pirates.
Yep. Oh, it's all right. So yeah, we score plumeria. We see it on every Plant Pirates. You can see this one shooting off a new leaf.
We got two plumerias.
We do. Now we have 2. And really, he's not joking. You can plant that one. We can cut this off, and I mean, you can make 5 plants out
I
of
bet
this.
you could plant it like that even. You know?
I don't know about that. Still got to plant it right side
Yeah.
up. But the problem with grabbing plumeria, especially this time of year, this is one of the only plants that loses its leaves entirely, for the most part at least, in the winter here in Central Florida. If you have it in a protected, real sunny and hot area, it might keep its leaves throughout the winter, but usually they lose their leaves and flowers. And the problem with that is,
We don't know what color it is.
yeah, so it could be yellow or white or some color that we have a whole bunch of.
We're hoping it's like a red or a
Yeah.
yellow, but it's probably gonna be yellow or white.
Yeah, I mean, we collect different varieties. We probably have like 7 or 8 different varieties,
If
but
even.
yeah, but a lot of our plumerias are yellow and white.
But
and I
our
bet
favorite
that is-
one, it's a real dark fuchsia color.
does look like a healthy cutting though.
Yeah.
And like you said, now we got at least 2. All right, is that it? We got anything else down in there?
Nope. That's it.
All right, so we did pretty good today.
Yeah.
I guess I'm the most excited about the teddy bear palm. What about you?
Teddy bear palm.
Yeah.
Teddy bear palm.
Yeah, Reese too. All right, so we got 3 for 3 vote on that one. So I'm stoked about that plant for sure. Never gotten it before. on
No,
Plant Pirate.
we only have one. And it's like that tall and it hasn't grown since.
All right, y'all, I hope you enjoyed the adventure here. If you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we showed you here, just post down below. If you did enjoy our adventure, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our channel. And if they don't, what's gonna happen, bud?
You're gonna get shot with an RPG.
Oh, you're gonna get shot with an RPG. Oh my goodness. All right, so you definitely wanna just go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You don't have to worry about the RPGs. Until next time, everybody out there, take care.